So quick recap, we are making an Alpenliebe Valentine's tea with bead colors. Picking up where we left off, did abstract brush strokes until I was satisfied. The color is now closer to an orangish red, but it will change to a pinkish red eventually. Finished up the sleeves and the back with similar strokes and did 2 coats. I loved how it was turning out, and initially I was skeptical if I wanted to make it darker, but I decided against because I liked how the light tints of pink merged with the white and also gave it a vintage touch. That's the front, that's the back, and this is how it looks under light. So now let's head to the terrace to dry it in the sun. Checking after an hour, it was all dried and the pinks are looking good. Now let's get dressed. Styling it with a tank top as a skirt, and I'm going for a vintage look, maybe from an 80s Valentine's Day. I think it looks amazing. The bead did a good job. Also accessorized with pearl hoops, a narrow pink belt, a sling bag and my mom's sling back heels. Now it's time for the Valentine's Day Alpenliebe. Alright, so showing you the details a bit before pulling out these eye masks that matches with the look. Jokes apart, this is very useful heated or chilled, and maybe get yourself one to put on and sleep on next February 14th. Also, I used up the beetroot, saved up the leftover juice and made dinner with the boiled beets. Happy Valentine's Day then!